Hey everyone, I just wanted to give everybody a quick walk around of my third gen. This is my 2002 Toyota 4Runner. This is my second one. My first one had actually burnt down due to an electrical fire caused by rodents, and that was really unfortunate, and it was a total loss. I'll add a some photos so you guys take a look. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. So that was a bummer, but I mean, I told myself if I get another one, I'll do it again. I don't care. So here I am. I bought another one, and arguably this one's better than the first one because this one is four-wheel drive. The first one I had, I was impatient, and I got a two-wheel drive. With that being said, I haven't done much to the car. It came with this bug diffuser, and they had the Toyota logo on there, so I'm not sure if it was OEM, but it had faded out, so I had bought another one off Etsy, and I just put that on there. While I was at it, I added it to these WeatherTechs that I purchased. I just removed the WeatherTech logo and I put the Toyota badges on there. Kind of tacky, but I don't care. I like it. It looks pretty good. Same for this side. I added these and then again, the Toyota badging on this one. And then I also have these off of Amazon, these little lids that's supposed to keep water from going onto the actual rear view mirror or side mirror. But it doesn't actually do that. It still gets all over it. But I think they're cool. It's like little bills for my side mirrors. Pretty rad. Of course, I had to get one with the hood scoop because my first one had the hood scoop, and I love the look of the hood scoop. Again, this is a sport edition, so I do have the badging for that. A cute little sport there. Other than that, only other things I've actually done to it on the outside is going to be these headlights were chrome. The side lights were chrome just like this. But I took them off and I put purple power in them. I shook it up and it actually eats the chrome up. So I did that for that side, and then I also did it for this side. And I just like the look of the black. As you can see, this one, you can still see a little bit of chrome in the very back, but it's not that noticeable. As far as suspension, I went ahead and put on some Bilstein 5100s. Let me see if I can get a good angle. Just some standard Bilstein 5100s, nothing crazy. I set it to the highest limit, which I believe is like a 2.8 something inch, pretty much a 3-inch lift, but after sitting down and settling, it's more like a 2.5. It's what I had prior, and I do like it. The rears, again, is 5100s, but that's just standard height. So that gives me the okay to be able to have this sticker here. Other than that, my tires are bald. I need to get new tires, but those should be coming soon, I hope. I freaking love this car. Let me show you guys the interior and show you what I'm working with. So we got a little POV here jumping into 2002 Toyota 4Runner. Look at the beauty. Look at this analog. I love this. Okay, so here are my door cards. Pretty standard, whatever. Just some beigeish leather. Not my personal favorite, but I don't mind it. Again, I got the leather seats, which I like. But if I'm being honest, I don't know if this is OEM. But I mean, I like them. They fit well. I don't mind it. Do got the WeatherTechs on here. No badge. I don't know why they didn't come with a badge. Same thing over here. I do have the headrest removed. I don't know why, but I like the look of no headrest. I got my daughter's car seat back here. She loves chilling in this thing. She likes the seat back a little bit so she can put her feet up and just chill, look out the window, just watch me cruise, you know. It's super cool, especially when we go somewhere like the beach or something. She loves that. She also has these stickers on here, which is cool and all. I have to take them off like maybe once a month, and then she'll re-put on new ones. So far, she's only got 2, so I'm cool with that. Let me give you a better look at the back seats here. Here we are. We got the WeatherTechs down here again. All the ones that go across. A couple knickknacks from my daughter. Seats are, again, great condition. They feel great, nice and firm. And of course, I got the trunk space back here. Again, WeatherTech'd up. Just sponsor me for WeatherTech. Let me start this bad boy up, show you what I'm working with. Give you guys a good look at what I'm working with. Look at this. Dang. I love this. I love the feeling of getting in this thing every time. So, only thing I've done in here, let me close the door. Only thing I've done in here is gonna be add my little shark up here because that's a must. A shark bobblehead with the surfboard, pretty rad. And I also have this infotainment system that I searched for the longest time to find one. I know everybody lives and dies by Kenwood, Pioneer, Sony, whatever. This brand right here, Atoto, is amazing for these. I mean, I don't know for other cars, but they do such an amazing job. I would love to show you guys an example, but it'll connect to my phone. But if you want me to go more in depth on that and show you what it can do, I'm more than likely I'll make another video for you guys. But for now, this is what I'm working with. Let me go ahead and start this up for you guys. I mean, look at this. Look at that. I love this, guys. This bare metal here. Oh, it's so hot. All right, let's pop this sucker in. I gotta turn this thing off because it'll connect to my phone. But this is what I'm working with, guys. Right here, we got an empty tank and 254,000 miles. 254566 to be exact. Again, this one is the four-wheel drive, so I do have that here. I have the four-wheel drive button here, which goes along with this guy right here. Again, it'll flash, tell me when it's engaged and stuff like that. And I do also have the center differential lock button right down here, which I absolutely love that I have. Other than that, I've done some other stupid stuff, like I installed a PA system for fun. Let's give it a good talk here. Test, test, test. Look at that. Test, 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 test. Pretty stupid, I know. It has this little area so you can hook it on somewhere. I don't know where to put it, you guys. If you guys have an idea where I should put it, I had it here on my old one, right down here. I had it here. I had it pop this plastic out, put the actual hinge inside this slot, and I just had it hooked on there, which was cool and all. But honestly, I kind of want it more on this side because I do like to occasionally pass it off to my daughter, and then she likes to say some stuff. We like to ride by my buddy's house, and she calls him a poopy head. So that's super cool. Other than that, you guys, this is my baby here, and I would love to keep making videos of whatever I do to it, keep updates going. Won't be a lot because obviously I don't have the most money in the world, so I can't be buying modifications all the time. But, you know, occasionally when I do get something or I'm going to do something to it, maybe I'll just record it, post it on here if you guys want to watch that. Other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little walk around of my 2002 Toyota 4Runner. Whatever I end up naming this channel, just subscribe and like. Leave a comment down below what you think I should do to it. And I'll get back to you guys in the next one.